Hello everybody, it's week 30 and I'm Dim Chutsanov, starting a software product company. It's have been past 7 months till I do what I'm doing, and the question is till when I'll do it? Well, I think the answer is pretty clear, so I'll do it. Let's now move directly on the task about what happened in the previous week and what are my expectations for this week. Well, the previous week I find how programmatically to create a dynamic user. I write the code so it's ready. The JavaScript logic is ready. But the next task I have was a lot more difficult, and it was to find how to deploy this application user and dynamics. And I'll speak directly with diagrams. What I have so far for DocSPO Lite is the architecture in green. And after researches, readings, and a lot of information, I decide that the most supported way will be to create a separate solution, which will be Dynamics managed solution, and I'll deploy it in Dynamics. And this solution will do this key function element from my architecture. It will create application user with the DocSPO Lite ID. Another question is this architecture supported from the store? Well, I write in Stack Overflow in the correct channel for this, but nobody is answering, which is something I expected. So what I'll do this week is I will try to validate all this by creating the package and submit it. So the focus for this week will be for DocSPO for Dynamics 365 to develop the add-in and to test it and to be sure that this is working. If I should be in more details to show you what I have almost 60% of the solution. So now I'm showing you my Dynamics 365 instance. I have deployed solution, and when you click on configuration with JavaScript, I'm exploring the environment. So with this button, I will create the application user. I'm reusing a lot of the functionalities that I currently have developed. So this week I hope I'll be able to complete this with a few explanation with link to documentation site. So hopefully this week all this is completed. Plus I will need to modify DocSPO Lite to use this functionality, to use this application user, or at least to be able to verify it. So the DocSPO work, it's difficult, but I'll try to do it this week. And in the very perfect scenario, this week I'll be submit new version to for DocSPO Lite to the App Store. So hopefully next week I get results. Does my scenario support it or not? And if they answer with no, I will lose only one full week. If they say yes, well, perfect. But let's see. The good thing is that if you want to achieve something, you need to have at least an idea. So, bye for now.